Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Farul Adlufi. I'm from 7.5 of Junior High School Bilingual Muslimat and Upucang. I will read material about wonderful Indonesia. Indonesia, now by the official name Republic of Indonesia, or more fully the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia, is an archipelago in Southeast Asia that is crossed by the equator and is between the mainland continents Asia and Oceania. So it is known as a transcontinental country as well as between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Indonesia is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. However, not everyone knows interesting facts about this country. Here are 10 unique facts about Indonesia that are rarely known. 1. The name Indonesia comes from the Greek Indus, which means river, and Nessos, which means islands. That is, Indonesia means the island that are in the Indus River. 2. Indonesia has more than 17,000 islands, but only about 6,000 of them are inhabited. The largest island is Papua, while the smallest island is Beras Basah Island, which only has an area of 0,2 hectares. Indonesian is the official language of this country. However, Indonesia has more than 700 regional languages which are still spoken by the indigenous population. Indonesia has more than 400 different ethnic groups with unique and diverse culture and custom. Sumatra is home to the Rafflesia, the world's largest flower, which can reach 1 meter in diameter. The Kecak dance, the famous dance from Bali, has no musical accompaniment. Instead, this dance uses the voice of a male choir consisting of 15 to 100 people. Indonesia has three of the most active volcanoes in the world, namely Merapi on Java, Sinabung on Sumatra, and Agung on Bali. The Ampera Bridge in Palembang, South Sumatra, is the longest bridge in Indonesia. This bridge has a length of 101,077 meters. In North Sulawesi, there is Lake Tondano, which is known as the largest freshwater lake on the island of Sulawesi. Indonesia has the second largest tropical rainforest in the world after the Amazon, with an area of around 120 million hectares. Those are 10 interesting facts about Indonesia that are rarely known. This country does have extraordinary natural and cultural wealth. Indonesia is bordered by a number of countries in Southeast Asia and Oceania. Indonesia shares a land border in Malaysia on the island of Kalimantan and Sebatik, with Papua New Guinea on Papua Island, and with Timor-Leste on Timor Island. Countries with sea border only with Indonesia are Singapore, Philippines, Australia, Thailand, Vietnam, Palau, and the United Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island, India. Indonesia is a unitary state with a republican form of government, based on a legal constitution, namely the 100 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia. According to the 1945 Constitution, the People's Representative Council or DPR, Regional Representative Council or DPD, and the President are nominated and then elected in general election. The current capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta. On January, the Indonesia government established the Indonesia capital, which is located on the island of Borneo, which occupies the territory of North Penajam Pasir Regency, to replace Jakarta as the new capital. Until 2022, the process of moving the capital city is still ongoing. Indonesia's history has been heavily influenced by immigrant and colonizer. The Indonesia archipelago has been an important trading area since the 7th century, namely since the founding of Sriwijaya, a Hindu-Buddhist patronate kingdom based in Palembang. The Sriwijaya kingdom established religious and trade relations with the Chinese, Indians, and also Arabs. Hinduism, Buddhism, religion and culture grew, developed in assimilated in the Indonesian archipelago in the early 4th to 13th century AD. After that, traders and scholars from the Arabian Peninsula who brought Islamic religion and culture around the 8th to 16th centuries. At the end of the 15th century, Europeans came to the Indonesia archipelago and fought to monopolize the trade in spices in Maluku during the Age of Exploration. After being under the Dutch colonial Indonesia, which was then called Dutch East Indies, proclaimed independence at the end of World War II, precisely on August 70, 1945. Furthermore, Indonesia faced various challenges and serious problems, ranging from natural disaster, massive corruption practice, social conflict, separatism movement, democratization process, and periods of development, socio-economic, political change and development, as well as rapid modernization. Indonesia consists of various ethnic groups, languages, and religions. Based on national family, Indonesia consists of native indigenous peoples, namely Austronesians and Melanesians, where the Austronesians are the largest in number and inhabit more of western Indonesia, with the Javanese and Sundanese tribes forming the large ethnic group with a percentage reaching 57% of the entire population of Indonesia. Indonesians' national motto, unity and diversity, or different but still one, means the socio-cultural diversity that forms a unified country based Having a dense population and a large area, Indonesia has nature that support the second largest level of biodiversity in the world. The Indonesia government is the government that regulates Indonesia based on the 1945 Constitution. Indonesia is a unitary state with a republic in the form of a republic and a presidential system of government with parliamentary characteristic. The Indonesian government has several different meanings. In a broad sense, government can refer collectively to three branches of power, namely the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. This term is also interpreted as the executive and legislative institution together because it is these two branches of power that are responsible for the governance of the nation and the making of laws. Meanwhile, in a narrower sense, the government only refers to the executive branch in the form of the government cabinet because they are the part of the government that is responsible for day-to-day governance. Okay, maybe that's all I can say about wonderful Indonesia. More or less, I'm so sorry. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.